Hey guys, so the store I went to yesterday was called Kiyoki and I'll show you what I bought. Super cute stuff. Okay, so here's this store. It's been in Vancouver for just a little while now. We'll pull out all the treats that I got there. So we've got a brush, a glitter Unleashia Glitterpedia. This is the brand that just caught my eye. You're not going to believe how beautiful this little angel collection are from Kiyoki, and they're from China. This one is really cute. This is the Napping Cheese Pro Eye Palette. Super cute. And another one of these beautiful Chinese brands. And then I got a liner. Now, one of the things you're going to have to do if you're going to be a cosmetic scientist is you're going to need to see what the best is on the market and test it out so that when you're formulating and when I'm formulating, I know what the high marks are. Now, this is probably the ultimate in packaging. See if there's anything else here. Oh yeah, I found another cute little thing. It's a little Lip Pot Blueberry Honey Hydrating Honey Lip Balm. This one is, it's Asian. I can't see. Made in Korea. So this is a Korean brand. So Korea's got some really fun things out here. And this is something else that I thought was fun and innovative. We've got a mouthwash, a lemon mouthwash. So we will try that out. That does go along with all of the research I've been doing on toothpaste and mouthwash and mouth cleaning products. But here are the boxes. Now I'm just going to reorient this and show you what they look like unboxed. So just give me a second while I take them out of the boxes and give you a little show. All right, so we're going to start with the product that hooked me as to the beauty of this particular design. Now check out the packaging. It's three-dimensional, so there are layers to the palette. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I haven't seen anything quite this nice for a very long time. And then there's the makeup itself. Check that out. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at these beautiful colors. So I'll give you a little idea of the intensity of the color. I mean, look at that. Just gorgeous. So I've been having a lot of fun with these. I actually took just a tiny bit of the blue and put it on my my eye after I bought it, and it just made the colors pop. But look at the little angels impressions in each of the now this one says all something. And I do have a pressed powder creator, so I will show you how to do this at some point to put a design on your pressed powder. So it's really a fun thing that you could spend forever, just like bath bombs, right? You just make things over and over again. So that's the first item. That is the Flower Nose Little Angel Collection Color Eyeshadow, 8-color eyeshadow palette. So that again is from China. It's beautiful. We're going to be looking at two more pieces from this collection. There were more, and I wish I could have bought them all, but you know, you're paying a premium price for premium products. So yep, it was kind of pricey. So we'll have to go back another day. So let me get you the next treat. Okay, this is also from the Little Angel Paradise Lost. And check out this beautiful textured palette. The luster is absolutely phenomenal. Just a little goes a long way. And I've been using this as well when I want to get that glow on my cheeks, on my nose, or wherever else I want to use it. And it's got a beautiful, see, there's me, palette. Very, very cute. So let's go to the next item, which is a brush. Okay, here's the brush. Again, it's from the Little Angel collection. It's got a gorgeous detailing on the handle. And that'll be perfect for applying this. I can't wait till I hope they come out with a really nice blush palette, because I will be first in line to get mine, that's for sure. Okay, so the next item, we've got one more item, and I have to show you how this works because it's really great for doing fine lines. All right, so here it is. Pulled it out of the packaging. Just see how beautiful that is. And we've got this beautiful pink. And my daughter got the blue one and the white one. Let me just get this open and we'll give it a show. So this is Glitterpedia All of Brown. I'm not sure what happened, but I hit the button, I guess. Let me show you this one. Alrighty. So we've got the most incredible chunky glitter. Okay, let's get it going. Because I just touched it before and got it. Yeah, there we go. I did. I had it all over me. Now, chunky glitter is a little harder than fine glitter to really... Look at that. How fun is that? And all of these will work together to do some beautiful shadowing and color coordinating. There's a chunkier pink glitter. Again, so we've got Ceremony. Ceremony is what they're calling this one. Meek, Balance, Honor, Know-How, Gleam, Sensual, Gentle, and Moment. Interesting names, but this is Glittering Passions from Glitterpedia. Very fun. Unleashia. All right, we've got one more palette, and hopefully we won't have a gap in here, and I'll get you that one. All right, so this one's really cute. It came with stickers, and I've already used them. I'm going to put this one on my water bottle because I actually have a cat named Cheese. My son's cat's name is Cheese. And these natural colors are something I needed more of because I use them to lighten up when I get a little heavy with color. And it's perfect for my eye color and for contouring. And this is just beautiful. Look at that. My daughter helped me put on the stickers for the Pro Eye Palette Napping Cheese by Cleo. And this is also a Korean product. So the last thing is, again, these lemon mouthwash. So next time we go to Cookie and Me and Cookie and ... we'll have to try some more. They had lots of things other than makeup, but this was just a fun little thing that caught my eye as I was going out the checkout. I hope you enjoyed this and that you expand your repertoire of cosmetics to worldwide renown, because they are making beautiful things everywhere. So if you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe. Please go to Koki and ... If you are in Vancouver, they've just opened up a shop and it's really busy there, so go early if you want a good selection. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye. Click like and subscribe.